Hello, I'm Janet. Today, let's continue the pronunciation of Hanyu Pinyin. Last time, I have shared with you the pronunciation of the foremost initial about fo, po, mo, fo. If you haven't watched it, you can go to the link here or the link below the information column. Let's learn another 4 new initials today. To hear more clearly, when we practice, we will add the short, simple final at each of them. Before I demonstrate the pronunciation to you, let me show you this picture. It's the organ of speech. For today's learning, you only need to pay attention to the position of 3, 9, and 17. They are represented for upper teeth, tip of tongue, and vocal cords. If you are ready, let's go. Da, da. The articulation of the is made by the upper teeth and the tip of tongue. The touching point can be close to the root of upper teeth. You can pay attention to it when we are doing the following practice. Let's practice again. Da, da. Well done. We can put this initial with the other finals. For example, 的啊大大象的熬岛岛它 The articulation is also made by the upper teeth and the tip of tongue. Remember the touching position we have mentioned. However, when we pronounce t, we will release stronger breath than the. Let's say it again. T. Good job. We can put this initial with the other finals. For example, 特啊塔塔特一踢踢那 The articulation is made by the upper teeth and the tip of tongue. N is a nasal sound. While your vocal cords are vibrating, let air come out through your nose. Let's practice. Don't forget to open your mouth and speak together. No. Good. We can put this initial with the other finals. For example, 呢语女女呢熬脑脑la. The articulation is made by the upper teeth and the tip of tongue. The air stream should be sent out from the two sides of tongue while your vocal cords are vibrating. Let's practice. La la. Good job. We can put this initial with the other finals. For example, le eng, leng, leng, le ao, lao, lao. Remember that the articulation of the, t, n, l are all made by the upper teeth and tip of tongue. The breath of t is stronger than the. N is a nasal sound, while the airstream of l should be sent out from the two sides of tongue. Let's practice again. Da, da, ta, ta, na, 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 na. Hope today's video helps you a lot. So far, we have learned 8 initials. If you have any questions, you can leave your comment. And don't forget to give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe. I will make more videos for Chinese learning. See you next time. Bye bye.